cheap nails, and in this video I'm going to be doing a mani based on my banner because this channel has just reached 200 subscribers and I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much. And I will be using this cheap striping tape that I bought, so it's gonna be fun. So let's get on to the video. Okay, I've already painted all of my nails white, and now I'm gonna take this black glitter striping tape and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And then I'm gonna take that cut piece and I'm just gonna put it towards the top of my nail. Now this glittery striping tape, I think it's pretty good. I mean, you get 13 of them for 99 cents and free shipping, and I think that's a great price for them. They are a little cheap. And I was trying to cut them with a dull nail clipper and it would not work. You need a scissor. And if you do not cut the striping tape, if it like a little bit past your nail, that it will completely peel off. You gotta make sure that it stops before your nail stops. And you just gotta cut it perfectly. But it is very pretty. The glitter on the striping tape is very pretty. And this, I'm not using this for just making a straight line. You know how you paint and you just peel it off and it's like a straight line to make a straight line. I'm not doing that. I'm leaving it on there for decor, and I think that it's made for that because it's all glittery, so it's made so you keep it on your nails. And now right here, I just took a paintbrush, and these paintbrushes I have are really nice. I'll put a link in the description. And I'm just putting some acrylic paint, some light acrylic paint towards the top of my cuticle, and on the bottom where I've spaced off, I'm putting dark pink acrylic paint. And now I'm going to take some of this star glue and I'm going to put it in the middle section of my nail. And then I'm going to take some of this really pretty orange foil, and after that nail foil glue that I have is completely dry, then I'm going to just gently press my foil on there. And I'm making this design because I really like all the glitter on my banner, and my sister, shout out to my sister who helped me make my banner. It has different glitters on it, and I just wanted to use different foils on my nails to really portray, I can't even say that word, the glitter from my banner. And here I'm just using dark pink. I think my banner has like orange, like dark pink, light pink, blue, green. It has really pretty glitter colors on it. I'm doing the exact same thing on all my nails, but each nail I'm using a different foil on. So for instance, for my index finger I'm using orange foil, for my middle finger I'm using dark pink foil, for my ring finger I'm using light pink foil, and for my pinky I'm using blue foil, which is very pretty. I love this blue foil. There we go, that one's done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a top coat on it. I'm using this water-based top coat, and it's from Born Pretty, but it's peel off, so I'm gonna make sure after I put this on my foil, because you don't want to tint your foil, I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with another quick dry top coat, because that is a peel off top coat and I don't want it to peel off, but I do like the fact that it's water based, and I'm putting it on my foil. So all in all, I really love this. Oh, and I also put 200 on my thumb and I used green foil. I also, back to what I was saying about the nail striping tape, I really like it. It's glittery and you get 13 of them, so you get like every different color, and I think that's really awesome. So I would give it a good review. Kind of, if I was reviewing, it would be a good review. I'm gonna put it in the description box below, so guys, you can check it out. And I think it's pretty good. It's a little on the cheaper side. It's a little annoying when it just peels off, but I think it's very pretty, and I'm happy I bought it. A little cheap, but I'm happy. It was 99 cents. So guys, thank you so much for watching this design. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers, and I hope you liked my banner themed mani. Tell me what you think down below, and yeah guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.